Hi, this is Brandon with Android Advice and Tutorials. Here I'm going to show you putting on a tempered glass screen protector on a Pixel 4. Basically, I recommend two things. One, if you have a case, put the case on it because it helps with guiding it and centering it without having to use the stickers and guides that they give you. And two, turn off the phone because when you touch it, it turns the screen on, and the whole time you're doing it, it's just going to bug you. Okay. Now, of course, one big thing is you want to wipe the whole screen down and get any dust off of it because any little piece of dust is going to show and make a big, going to cause big issues. Okay. So there's a wet cloth if you have it, which is basically just like an alcohol swab, right? Just a plain alcohol swab. And then you can use any kind of dry cloth you want, which a lot of times they come with them. Here, for instance, in this case, here's a wet and a dry cloth. If you don't have a wet and a dry cloth, just use any anti-static cloth, like for glasses or whatever. Use the wet one to wipe it down first, just to clean it, get any smudges, oil, stuff like that off. And then use the dry cloth to make sure that not only it's dry, but also that you get any of the remaining dust off, because the wet cloth will just kind of smear the dust around. It doesn't always lift it off. So very important to get all that dust out of there, and then it's a really easy process. So first thing we're gonna do, inspect it. Make sure there's no dust in there. I believe we're dust free. Okay, and then you grab your screen protector, and the sticker is going to be on the side that you actually see this. The side that you peel off is going to be the side that goes down on the actual screen. So we're going to do this. Make sure your phone's facing the right direction so that this notch is for the camera. And then we're going to line this thing up. And if you make a mistake, it will lift, but you don't want to do it too many times because if you keep lifting it, and when you drop it, it pretty much seals itself. Might have to help it a little. In any little areas that you might notice bubbles, don't stress it because they will disappear after a while. You can see right there in the reflection I'm using a pixel to record a pixel. But anyway, so you just make sure your edges are good. If they're not, you can always take it, peel it up, and go again. Just be careful because it'll crack. But that's it. So the screen protector's on there. Easy enough. Usually when you order them, you can order like 2 at a time, so if you make a mistake, it's not a big deal. But anyway, if I didn't cover anything there and you have any questions or you're having trouble, feel free to drop me a line. Thanks for watching.